Hi friends, you received my DaranEner NEO300 external power supply. I am very happy because we go a lot to the camp and to the park, and sometimes we need a lot of energy. You get, well, a warranty card, the basic user manual, of course, and let's see what we got here. It's supposed to give you really a lot of energy, more than 15 charges of a camera, 5 hours of a mini fridge. So it's supposed to have 5 output ports. So okay, here it is. Okay, you can see it's it indicates that it's charging. Okay, so we're going to finish charging it. You can either use DC power or AC power, okay? Direct current or alternate current. The AC power is for this one. The DC power is for all of the other ones. So it has also an LED light. If what you need is light, but not connecting anything, just light to light up wherever you are. So you have it here. Okay, it has different lighting options, okay, for emergencies or whatever. And it has all these instructions on what is turning on in the display, what it means. If you have AC or DC, if you are using a USB or the LED light, if it's hibernating, if it's connected to a solar panel, you can change. So you can charge it with this adapter, with the car cigarette lighter, with the solar panel, okay? 3 ways of charging it. We are going to try it, but as you can see, it's a nice size, has a lot of uses, and it's great for any kind of energy requirements. If you want to have it for light emergencies, if you live in a place with tornadoes or any kind of storm, when you go out of energy for a while, for a boat, for an RV, in your office for an emergency, always having an extra energy battery is a good option, a must have almost for everyone now that we use electronic equipment all the time. So really recommend it. Thank you. So now that we charge our unit, I want to show you how this will read. If you turn on this light, it will tell you that it's using the LED, and it tells you that its energy is going out. You see, out. So you can know what's happening. That's hibernating. Now we are going to charge an iPhone. So we are going to use DC power outlets. So now you have DC, it's using a USB, and its energy going out, okay? Now I'm going to test the AC outlet. I am going to charge my drill battery. Let's see what happens. I'm going to tell it that I'm going to use the AC power. That's it. I open it and I plug in this. Great. So it's charging my battery, my drill battery, and it's telling me that it's using 60 hertz, 110 volts AC output, and it's going out. You could even charge more than one thing, so you can be charging the battery and the phone, and it will tell you that it's simultaneously using the AC and the DC systems, the USB-C and the AC here, and it's going out, okay? So you could keep charging things. If you want the light, if you need the light also, it will tell you that it's using the LED, the LED light. So here you know what's happening, what ports are working, and what's going on with the battery, okay? Very good, very nice size, good power output, and a lot of ports to charge everything that you need to charge in our modern life. Thank you.